Hi, it's Dr. Toker. I thought I would have a little conversation about the magic of fiber. Okay, well, fiber comes in two different types. There's a soluble fiber and there's insoluble fiber. An example of insoluble fiber would be vegetable fiber, like lettuce and whatnot. I mean, there is some fiber in vegetables, but your body cannot really process or digest them. So it's called insoluble fiber. You can mix it in water all you want to, unless you blend it into the liquid. It stays in its form. It's like putting celery in your gumbo, obviously. It stays looking like celery. Why? Because it is insoluble. Okay, so insoluble fiber. And insoluble fiber is important. We'll talk about that in a minute. And the second type is soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is fiber that when you mix it in water, dissolves. It's like chemistry here. There's insoluble and then there's soluble. All right, so soluble fiber is present oftentimes in fruit. Just for ease, it's other places, but I'm just saying the most common soluble fiber is going to be fruit. And of course, you can get soluble fibers that are not associated with food at all in a supplement format. There's certain roots that make fiber that are really good for you. So as soluble fiber is concerned. Okay, so there's insoluble fiber and there's soluble fiber. Miralax is not a fiber. I love that when I ask patients, are you taking fiber? Well, I take Miralax. So that is not actually the question that I asked. Okay, so Miralax is not a fiber. And a stool softener is not a fiber either. I'm talking fiber. Like, do you eat your fruits and vegetables? And if you hate fruits and vegetables, which I do have some patients that will not eat a vegetable to save their lives. And I'm not talking about potatoes. I'm talking about like lettuce or spinach or broccoli or something. So if they don't like anything green and they don't eat fruit, let's say, for example, they have a very low fiber diet. Those patients can struggle because of that. And so fiber supplements are very handy. Now, so what are the fiber supplements? The most common over-the-counter fiber supplements are going to fall into a psyllium category. You can get plain psyllium. The name brand psyllium is Consul, Konsyl, which has 6 grams of fiber per serving. Then there's Metamucil, which has psyllium, but it also has some flavoring to it. Constipated patients is very simple. You need soluble fiber. You need to drink lots of water. Patients with diarrhea need to kind of firm up the stool somehow, and you can do that with a fiber capsule or fiber tablet. Dry fiber, or even Metamucil cookies. So dry fiber substances with just enough water to swallow it will absorb the water to firm up the stool a little bit so you don't have the diarrhea issue. All right, we'll see you next time.